In 1995, in Los Angeles, California, the Sunset Limited departed Union Station with Dash 8 UBWH 511 leading and F40 PHR 398 trailing. It was pulling a badge car, sleeper car, diner car, and a few other superliner cars, a dome car, and another superliner car. As the train was passing through Palo Verde, Arizona, suddenly the train derailed. The two locomotives and the baggage car did derail but stayed upright. The sleeper car, the diner car, and one Amfleet coach flipped sideways and injured hundreds of people. One superliner car, a dome car, and another superliner car stayed on the tracks, and they did derail, but they suffered minor damage. In the midst of the train wreck, one person died, and 173 people were injured. It didn't take long to find the culprit of the incident. One of the rails had been moved inward by saboteurs, and this incident was very, very similar to the 1939 Colorado, Nevada train derailment. After the train wreck, number 511 was repaired and put back into service with a different paint scheme. 398 continues to operate to this day as an NPCU number 9398, but there are no pictures of it other than a blurred Trains 12 picture. It's been 24 years since the incident. As far as I know, no other trains have been sabotaged. Which that's good. I don't even know any other trains that have been sabotaged other than the 1939 Colorado, Nevada train wreck. That's pretty scary anyway, because that's really close to my location. But still, it's a train wreck that actually not many people know about, because not very many people do documentaries on it, mostly because the fact that not much happened in it, just one death.